Hey guys, TK Tech here, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this Phillips ESee pocket camcorder. Apparently it's meant to be good. I looked at the reviews on the website and they looked really good. So I'm gonna review it and unbox it, and I've looked in it, but I just want to show you guys. So basically, this is the first video of my channel, and I'm going to be reviewing tech and playing about with stuff. So let's get on with it. Right, let's open this up. Okay, so there's the camera itself. If we look underneath, we've got the micro SD card and micro SD card adapter. You've got all the instruction manuals and stuff like that, so shove that over there. You had to buy these separate, which was the only annoying thing about this, because this cost me an extra £10 probably. So let's open this up. Looks fairly nice, clean finish to it, white and black, goes quite well. Don't know if you can see on the screen, but it looks quite crisp quality. Let's put the SD card in. Which way? Right, that way. Go on, get in. There you go. Right, so you've got your option for you've got the option for video or picture, which is quite cool, so you can take pictures with it as well as videos. You've got the zoom in and out around the record button. So yeah, my channel is going to be about tech, and that is that. So I will see you guys in the next video, when I'm going to be reviewing the iPhone 5C and unboxing it too. See ya.